I've got a Craftsman GT5000 here today. Hydrostatic transmission. So you just move the lever for how fast you want to go. So the problem is when I press the brakes and I move back to neutral, which should be right there, this just slowly moves and the whole mower just keeps moving even though it's supposed to be in neutral. So I'm going to show you how to adjust this and how to stop that from happening. Alright, you can see we're in neutral. I have to have it running, sorry for the noise. We're in neutral and it's still moving. But if we pull it back, stops moving, we're no longer in neutral. So we want to get it back to where it's no longer moving. Then loosen that bolt there. Still not moving. We're going to move this back to neutral. Right there. So you see now we're in neutral. Not moving. Tighten down. Adjust it. Forward. Neutral. Not moving. That's reverse. Neutral. Not moving. So, the easy fix if your mower is still going forward and neutral or reverse. If you pull this up too much, to compensate for that neutral, you're going to be stuck in reverse. So you don't want that. You have to be right in between. So, hope that helps you out.